Ito sis, oh. Yan, this person, this Hamdan bin Muhammedu, I blocked him before. But I try myself to unblock because I want to know what is his purpose, why he's sending this to me. So, okay, so I want to read again, ha? He said, his name is Hamdan bin Muhammedu. So, it's really, really sad. So no any post, only this one. So okay, so I go back. So this is February 29. I blocked this person because I don't want to talk, but I changed my mind. I unblocked him yesterday, so I try to communicate. So okay, so first is this: Assalamualaikum, my love, I'm not happy this morning. I received a report from the security agency in regards to this imposter. He confessed of contacting you by impersonating me. Oh, please stop every conversation with any of them from now, for he said that there are many of them doing this. This is the picture of the arrested imposters. Chasing crazy. So I opened this yesterday again. I unblocked him. So I said, wow, oh wow. So he replied, good morning. So this yesterday. Yes, what do you want? I asked him, who are you? So he said, I'm Sheikh Hamdan bin Al Maktoum, the Crown Prince of Dubai in UAE. So guys, this photo is a long time. I always see this in Facebook and TikTok and even in YouTube. So I reply him, I already see this photo all over internet. And then this one, I'm Sheikh Hamdan bin Muhammad bin Rashid bin Al Maktoum. Okay, what is your purpose, sir, to contacting me? So guys, he only see my message. He don't reply anymore. So okay, so I want to show you again another one. So this is one. So yesterday this one, I already blocked this one. I received this his message in spam. This is because I didn't follow some of this. If you didn't follow the page, their message is in the spam. So I open, I unblock. So he said, hi. So he replied, how are you doing today there? Good morning from here. Hope you are having a great day. So I replied, okay, how about you? What are you doing? So he replied, I am fine too. Thanks for asking. What? So I replied again, what are you doing right now? Then he replied, just finished having coffee. So he take a photo. So I replied, okay. Oh, really nice one. Can you take pictures with face and have it on the photo? So guys, he didn't reply anymore because he's fake Hamdan Faza. They are only using the photos of the Crown Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai to, this is our, look, take a look, this is new Facebook account. So I'll post this in Facebook so that many people can see. So okay, so another one, I also block him. So this Jose, so this is him. They are using the photos of the Prince Hamdan Faza. These people ruins the life of the prince. So this is it. So no more, only this one. So I want to continue. He said, my love, this is Sunday at 11 I don't know when is this one. So I replied, what? So I said, who are you? Who are you? Okay, so he not reply anymore because he's not the real Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. So I want to check this again. I want to check his profile. So only this one, only one. So meaning this is fake profile. So okay, so good luck.